Obvious question is, what next for TNT?
Well, they really do find themselves in a bit of a hole at the moment. This merger with UPS was really the key plank of their strategy, and now they find themselves bereft, really, of any particular reason for being. A new plan needed, I think, to expand in other markets, but where they go from here is rather difficult to see at present.
And what happens to the board? I mean, to see your share price collapse by half in one day, they can't be sitting too pretty right now?
Well, I would think they'd be probably feeling rather uncomfortable this morning, to say the least, if they've staked their reputations on this deal and now it's fallen through. They're going to have to come up with some pretty excellent explaining, really, to outline where they're going next.
What does this mean, if we can take anything from it, for the broader M&A environment within Europe? I mean, the EU Commission hasn't said anything yet, but do you think deals in the pipeline may be choked up on the back of this?
I think certainly they might feel a bit of problems. This merger was widely seen as heralding a sort of new age for M&A in Europe, and now this has been rather, the mockers put on it. The company's going to be rather more cautious, I think, looking ahead, and any deals that might have been in the pipeline might now be blocked for the foreseeable future.
And just to finish up, European stocks, they're on a tear, 8 months of gains. That's the best run since the FTSE Euro first was launched in 1997. When does Draghi's positive contagion turn into Greenspan's irrational exuberance?
Well, it does seem as if the markets are in a mood to keep going up regardless of any worries. And certainly there doesn't seem to be too much bad news at the moment. But as we've learned from crises over the last few years, especially with the Eurozone, it does tend to creep up on you when you least expect it. Although we've had no bad news from Greece, Spain, Italy, and the other usual offenders, it's quite possible that something will emerge at some point to surprise the market.
And if so, are we looking at a 5%, 10% correction?
I think we could look at a correction of at least 5% impossible, really, if something really major does appear. But that said, there doesn't seem much to stop markets at present.